Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to activate a Walmart gift card online in just a few minutes, step by step. Step 1. Locate your gift card code. For physical cards, scratch the back gently to reveal the PIN. For digital cards, check your email or message for the code. Step 2. Open your web browser and go to the official Walmart website. Make sure you are on the secure site to avoid scams. Step 3. Sign in to your Walmart account. If you don't have an account yet, create one using your email address and a secure password. Step 4. Navigate to the gift cards section and select Redeem a gift card or Add to account. This is where you will enter your card information. Step 5. Enter your gift card number and PIN exactly as shown. Double-check for typos or missing numbers, as even small errors can prevent activation. Step 6. Click Apply or Submit. Walmart will verify the code and, once accepted, add the gift card balance to your account immediately. Step 7. Confirm your balance. Check your account to ensure the funds have been added and your Walmart gift card is ready for online or in-store purchases. That's it. Following these steps allows you to activate your Walmart gift card online quickly and securely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more easy and helpful step-by-step guides.